Hi guys, it's your girl Justena Leaves, and today we are gonna do a product review on the Pantene Miracle Restore Deep Conditioner Treatment. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So if y'all made it this far in the video and y'all haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. And let's get into this deep conditioner. So I've never used this deep conditioner before. I have used the Pantene Gold line, but this is a different line. It's their Pro V line. Usually this is more used for straighter 1B, type 1, type 2 hair. But I have type 3 and type 4 hair. So we're going to try this, see how it does. It says it is a weightless conditioner and preps hair for faster drying time. It's an upgrade. It upgrades your everyday routine with intense moisture, and it's formulated to leave hair healthy and hydrated. So I'm going to try this today, see how it does. I am about to do a protective style today. It's just a massage into wet hair after shampooing. Start at the tip and work through the hair towards the root and leave on for 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse thoroughly for healthy hair. I'm not going to leave it on for 1 to 2 minutes. I'm probably going to leave it on for about 30 minutes. I'm going to get under my hooded dryer because overall I don't leave my deep conditioners on for 1 to 2 minutes. It just doesn't work like that. And plus I have to make sure it like detangles my hair and all that stuff, which y'all are gonna see. So let's go ahead and take my hair down. As I say, I did not detangle it, but I did wash it, so it is definitely clean. So this is how my hair is looking. It's not like dry, but it could use a little bit of moisture in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and first section my hair off and then I will come back. Alright guys, if you made it this far in the video, make sure you subscribe. Click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. Alright, let's talk about the Pantene Pro V Mask. Alright, so as y'all see here, my hair is definitely tangled. And as I apply the mask to my hair, I have to apply a pretty generous amount, not a dime size, to actually get my hair detangled. So even though y'all see the excess product on my hair, I just felt like my hair needed a little extra product just so it can absorb the deep conditioner, and the deep conditioner can do what it needs to do to my hair as far as detangling, because my hair was very dry and very tangled. I actually need to trim my ends. This is actually like, I'm recording this voiceover 2 weeks later after I've actually recorded this video, and I still need to trim my ends. So I'm probably going to do that video pretty soon. Let me know down below if you would like that video. So I do go in and continue applying this mask to my hair. As y'all see here, my curls are coming through, so it does do an amazing job at helping my curls be defined and moisturizing it. Even though I have to use a lot of conditioner, this conditioner is actually not that much. I think it was maybe like $6 or $7 at Target. I'll leave a link down below so y'all can see where I purchased this deep conditioner and how much it is. I did get mine at Target, but I'm sure it's at every, kind of like convenient, like grocery store or anything you can get a deep conditioner, and since it's kind of like a popular brand. But I did kind of like tug on my previously applied deep conditioner just not to overuse it too much. Even though it did saturate my other twists, I did like take some of the excess deep conditioner that was just like sitting on top and apply it to the next section just to make sure. And I know the product would have absorbed eventually, but I just wanted to make sure that I was not too over liberal but every section got a little of the deep conditioner. Now I'm going to the next side, and as y'all see here, I am like slightly finger detangling first, which I really don't think I needed to do that because this mask really did do a good job of detangling my hair. As y'all see here, these clips are fast forwarded, but I just wanted to show y'all that it is great at detangling and everything. When I am looking for a deep conditioner, a new one, I make sure that it is actually one that'll help me detangle my hair. As y'all see here, I have like a lot of knots at the end of my hair, and I just, like I said, I just need to trim it. So just the fact that this deep conditioner mask is thick enough and is able to help me glide all the tangles out very, very gently, even though it kind of seems kind of rough here, but it does help me detangle my hair and go ahead and twist it just to prepare for the protective style that I am going to do. So I'm really happy about that because I just don't need my hair to be like super tangled like it is now. Another thing that I also look for when I'm looking for a new deep conditioner is something that would actually moisturize my hair. So this deep conditioner mask does a really good job of moisturizing my hair, and we can really see that because the product really weighs down my hair. So as you see in this next clip, my hair is really, really weighed down and defined by the deep conditioner. So that is one thing that I do take into account when I am more comfortable with a deep conditioner, because I just feel like if it weighs my hair down, if it defines my curls, it's actually doing what it needs to do. Then the final thing that I do look for when it comes to a deep conditioner is that the final product, does it moisturize my hair? Does it soften my hair? Especially if it's a moisturizing mask. So that's what I look for when I'm choosing deep conditioners. So let's get to my final review of the products. Alright guys, I rinsed out the deep conditioner and this is how my twists are looking. They are very juicy. They're very, very soft. Like for sure soft. So I am going to show you one of my twists, how it looks when I unravel it. Overall, my hair looks really good. It feels moisturized, and yeah, I'm really excited about how this deep conditioner has helped detangle my hair for sure and moisturize it. So if you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. And remember guys, you look blessed. Bye guys.